Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today we'll be reviewing the Breitling Navitimer, reference number A as in Apple, B as in boy, 012721. Of course, we'll always have a link to the watch in the description below. We'll be going over the price, the dial, bezel, case, crown, strap, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so you can purchase this Navitimer from an authorized Breitling retailer for $8,590 plus tax. Of course, here at JazTime.com, we always strive to have the lowest prices anywhere online, so give our website a thorough look through and see the most up-to-date prices. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the dial now. So the dial, at first glance, it looks a little bit complicated, convoluted a bit with all the numbers going around the edges of the dial. But actually, it all works very nicely together and actually brings the whole look of the watch nice and tight together. The actual design of this watch is not actually a recent thing. The design is a very classic aviator watch design from Breitling that has originally dated back to the late 1960s when the invention of the automatic chronographs were first coming to life from different watchmakers. And this design that I have in my hand here is what Breitling has kept for all those years. So we have this beautiful index hour markers with sort of green lume tipped accents. Those green lume tips are, of course, glow in the dark for up to 8 hours. So you have high legibility at night, also very good legibility during the day as well. You can see the hour marker, or hour hands, and the minute hand very bold in the front of the face of the dial. Of course, we have the second subdial at the 9 o'clock position, 30-minute subdial at the 3 o'clock position, and a 12-hour tracker subdial at the 6 o'clock position. As this is a chronograph watch, it does have those 3 subdials. The red chronograph hand, as you can see, has been going around. Go ahead and stop that. And that's controlled by that pusher I just pressed there at the 2 o'clock position. That pusher starts and stops that chronograph seconds hand that travels around the dial in revolutions. The 4 o'clock position chronograph pusher resets it back to the original position. So very nice visibility on the chronograph hand, being that nice contrasting red landmark. Okay, so specifically for all these various numbers and such, it actually all works together in conjunction with the bezel. The bezel is a slide rule bezel, and with the chronograph function and the numerous scales and such on the face of the watch, they can all be used in conjunction to perform different activities, such as measuring average speed, productivity rate, various calculations such as currency conversion, multiply, divide numbers, calculate ground speed, miles per minute. As this is an aviator's watch, it has just numerous things that you can do with it. Unfortunately, I won't be going into detail of how to use it specifically. You can take a look through our YouTube page for how to use that, or you can see different guides online on how to use that slide rule bezel for the Breitling. Okay, besides that, the bezel, very beautiful bezel. As you can see, nice high polish on the front of the bezel to bring more shine to the face of the watch, contrasting with that nice black dial to contrasting with the white of the outer rim of that dial. The edges are fluted, as you can see as I turn it to the side. Nice fluted edge bezel, and brings a nice look to the face overall, and makes it look a little more unique. The case size of this watch, you're looking at a 46mm case size. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 46mm in diameter. The lugs of the case nicely high polished as well, to combine with the high polish on the front facing of the bezel. You can see a nice high polish on the bottom as well. And we'll also turn this watch to the side, and you can see that nice high polish on the sides of the watch as well. The overall thickness of this stainless steel casing, you're looking at 14 and a half of thickness. So index finger to my thumb once again, that's 14.51 millimeters of thickness for the watch. So it sits very high on the wrist. Yet even though that is a 46 millimeter case size watch, 14 and a half thickness, it still feels like a very light watch. The total gram weight of this watch, you're looking at 120 grams, about 106. With just the case, the case of the watch alone without the strap, so 120 in total. Your wrist won't actually feel the fatigue of this Breitling sitting on your wrist, even though it takes high priority on the wrist with, you know, being so very large and in charge. It still you won't get that fatigue from wearing it around all day, and it feels very comfortable. And that comfortability is also given by the strap, as well as it is a crocodile leather strap in black with nice contrasting white stitching around this strap as well to bring that nice contrast to the black. The clasp of the watch is just a simple folding clasp. We have the Breitling name with the B with wings embossed onto that high polished buckle. And as we open that up, there we are, beautiful high polished clasp blades, Breitling name embossed on there as well. Let me show you that once more closed. That's how it looks closed. Patterning of the bracelet only broken up by that clasp, and once again opened up. Nice ease of access. Okay. I do apologize, I did skip the crown portion, as I've already went over the chrono pusher. The crown itself is just a non-screw locked crown, so you can simply open it up as so. As you see, I've slightly tugged the crown out to the first position, in which you can adjust the date from this position. You can see here at between the 5 o'clock and 4 o'clock position, you see the date aperture right between there. And just going clockwise, you can see the very ease of access of changing that date. Tugging the crown to the final position, as I'll do once more, will allow you to set the hands. Of course, it has a stopping of the hack movement, which is the seconds in the sub dial. You can see the seconds has stopped. That allows for precise time settings, such as an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds. Pressing the crown back in will start that hack movement once more. As you can see, it's already started to move. And also it keeps the watch nice and protected, and keep its water resistance of 30 meters or 100 feet or 3 bars. Okay. Now let me go ahead and move on to the movement now. So the movement is actually housed in this very beautiful exhibition case back. We have the model number of the watch here over here by the 4 o'clock chrono pusher, and various text written and embossed onto a nice high polished case backing. Nice exhibition case back with that transparent sapphire crystal for nice protection and very beautiful readability to the movement. The movement is actually one of Breitling's newer style movements, in-house made movements of Breitling 01, or B01 for short. It's an in-house made self-winding movement made up of 47 different jewels, and packs a power reserve of 70 hours, meaning you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Monday afternoon, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Alright, so let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on the wrist. So once again, locate that Breitling B with wings logo with the clasp. Opens up as so. Very simple, very easy. And there we are. So there's the watch on my wrist. As you can see, very large watch. Definitely very noticeable on the wrist. But like I said, that 120 grams does not feel heavy at all. When compared to something like the Rolex Deep Sea, which is around the same level of thickness, you'll definitely feel a hardy weight to it. This watch, you feel somewhat of a weight, but it isn't enough that it'll tire you out after wearing it over long periods of the day. So absolutely gorgeous watch. You can see the nice contrasting from the black dial again with the outer of the white of the dial. The strap matching beautifully with it as well. Same contrasting of white and black with the white stitching, black crocodile leather strap. Okay, so if you're interested in this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed, and we offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.